Students, today we are going to solve exercise 7.2 seventh problem. Towards the question, find the coordinates of points which divide the line segment joining A minus 4, 0, B 0, 6 into 4 equal parts. See here, 2 points are given. These 2 points are on a line segment. You know line segment, we will have 2 points. Line segment having a 2 points. That is A, B. This line segment is divided into 4 equal parts. See here mentioned 4 equal parts. So let the one part be P, another part be Q, another part be R. See here 4 equal parts. A to P 1, P to Q second, Q to R third, R to B fourth. Now it is the 4 equal parts. Equal it is mentioned. So therefore AP equals to PQ is equals to QR is equals to RB. All are equal. Fine. Now see here from AQ is equals to BQ. In the sense, what is the meaning? If you find out AQ, that value is same as BQ. Understood? What we have to find out now? P, what is the coordinate P? What is the coordinate Q? And what is the coordinate R? Means these three are the midpoints of AB. Okay, shall we start? Now I am giving what is given. See, this is your for explanation part I did. You can do this in your rough column. You can do this one in your rough column. Start the problem with given. Given A minus 4, 0. B 0, 6. What is RTP? Find the coordinates. You are finding coordinates. Fine. Next, for finding coordinates, you have to find out the midpoints. See here, AB line segment and Q is the midpoint of AB. We will write here AB midpoint P. P is a midpoint of AB. By using midpoint formula, we are using here midpoint formula. I can write the sentence. Shall we write the sentence at least? Fine. See, P is a midpoint of AB. Next, P. Sorry, it is Q. Q is a midpoint of AB. Next, we have find out the Q. With the help of this, we will find out next. What is the P here? P is a midpoint of AQ. P is a midpoint of AQ. This one. See here, P is a midpoint of AQ. After finding from the midpoint formula, P and Q we have find out. Now see, we have to find out the R. We have to find out the R. So what we will write now? R is a midpoint of BQ. Finally understood this one? Shall we start the problem? We will start solving this problem. This one. First Q, P, then R. So students, we will find first AB. Q is the midpoint of AB. Minus 4, 0, 0, 6 from the question. This is your formula of midpoint. Q is the midpoint of AB. As I said you in the just now I said you, right? Here x1 minus 4, x2 0, y1 0, y2 6. Substitute these value here. Please look it very carefully. AB equals to Q. What I am writing M here? Midpoint. Q is the midpoint of AB. Substitute x1 plus x2. x1 is minus 4 plus 0 by 2, comma, y1 is 0 plus 6 by 2. Q equals to minus 4 plus 0 is minus 4 by 2, comma, 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Therefore, Q equals to minus 2, 3. This is your Q is the midpoint of AB. Correct? Next we are going to find out AQ. What is the midpoint? P. P is the midpoint of AQ, right? Same formula. This will be same. P will be different. A minus 4 comma 0. Q is this one. Minus 2 comma 3. X1 Y1. X2 Y2. Now AQ. P is the midpoint of AQ. Formula x1 plus x2 by 2 plus y1 plus y2 by 2. P equals, what is x1 plus x2? This is x1 minus 4 plus of minus 2 divided by 2 plus y1 is 0. 0 plus 3 by 2. P equals to minus 4 minus 2 divided by 2 comma 3 by 2. This is your minus 6 by 2 comma 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Therefore, AQ equals to P. It's a midpoint. P the midpoint of AQ. Point is minus 3 comma 3 by 2. We got P also. We got P midpoint. We got Q midpoint. Now we are going to find R. R, BQ. R is a midpoint of BQ. Okay, same formula. X1 plus x2 by 2 plus y1 plus y2 by 2. What is B? B is 0, 6. 0, 6. Q minus 2, 3. As already we solved this one. X1, y1, x2, y2. Substitute now. X1 plus x2. That is 0 plus of minus 2 divided by 2. Comma. This is comma. y1 plus y2 by 2. 6 plus 3 by 2. 0 plus of minus 2 by 2 comma 9 by 2. 6 plus 3 9. BQ equals to R, that is a midpoint of BQ, is minus 2 by 2 comma 9 by 2. You can cancel this one. Therefore, R equals to minus 1 comma 9 by 2. So, midpoints of Q is minus 2 by 3, P minus 3 comma 3 by 2, R minus 1 comma 9 by 2. Yes, student. So, you have understood the 7th problem. Now, coming to 9th question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points A plus B, comma A minus B and A minus B, comma A plus B in the ratio 3:2 internally. As you know, when ratio is given, 2 points are given, you have to go with the section formula. Given A plus B, comma A minus B. What is B? A minus B, comma A plus B. And what is the ratio? 3:2. What we have to find out? RTP. Find coordinates. With the help of section formula, we are going to solve this one. Section formula. M1x2 plus M2x1 divided by M1 plus M2, comma M1y2 plus M2y1 divided by M1 plus M2. As you know, A plus B, A minus B. B, A minus B, comma A plus B. What is M1, M2? M1 is 3, M2 is 2. This is X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Here, X1 equals to A plus B, X2 equals to A minus B, Y1 equals to A minus B. Here, from here I am writing. Y2 equals to A plus B. Now substitute these values in the section formula. What is M1? M1 is 3. 3 into X2. X2 is A minus B plus M2. What is M2? 2. 2 into X1 A plus B divided by M1 plus M2. 3 plus 2. comma m1. m1 is 3 into y2 a plus b plus 2 into a minus b divided by 3 plus 2. Now open the brackets, multiply this in this. 3 into a 3a minus 3 into b 3b plus 2 into a 2a plus 2 into b. I am multiplying, see, I am opening the bracket and multiplying by like this. Divided by 5. Comma, open the brackets, multiply by 3. 3 is multiplied to a also, b also. This will becomes 3a plus 3b plus 2 is multiplied to a and minus b also. 2 into a 2a plus into minus minus 2b divided by 5. Clear? Next, 3a 2a both are plus, it is 5a minus 3b 1b minus 2b divided by 5. This 3a 2a is how much? 5a plus 3 minus 2 1 1b divided by 5. See here b 2a and 2b, this is 2, this is 2b. 5a minus b, 3 minus 2 is 1. So b, I can write b, 5a minus b by 5, 5a plus b by 5. Okay student, thank you.